There is, I think it was NBC had a campaign where they talked about it being new to you. And the whole idea was people, they'd rerun TV shows because back then, it was all broadcast and you showed it once and they'd have reruns. And the whole campaign was around, well, it's a rerun, but you've never seen it before, so why don't you check it out? And that concept is really interesting. The point is that when you're marketing to a target audience, first of all, you're not reaching and engaging that 100% of the people that you reach out to with every single message. You're just not. Maybe it's the wrong time for them. Maybe it scrolled by their screen or their inbox at the wrong time and they didn't quite see it because they were busy on other stuff at that point. So part of the idea of frequency is that it takes multiple impressions to get to the point where you can even get someone to absorb your message once. And then it takes a period of time for people to start to recognize and say, hey, I'm ready to understand and think about that at this point. So on the other side, what a lot of people will do is is I had a lot of marketing teams in the past they love to create and they love new ideas. And it's amazing, right? And it's amazing to come up with a new idea. But the point is, you spend so much time and effort and money coming up with a new idea and if you only show it to someone once, you're going to reach a tiny, tiny, tiny percentage of your target audience. So the goal is to repeat that message and recycle that. Not only does it give you the reach that you need over a period of time, but people start to remember it, they'll recall it just like they remember your brand if they see your brand a number of times, because they're consuming a marketing message that you're delivering to them and not taking the call to action you want them to take, they're still developing an understanding of who you are as a brand.